Yeah. You know what I smell? I smelled FPV sweat and tears that were poured into this amazingness. For those of you guys who don't know, Flytribe is the only FPV magazine for pilots made by pilots. And today, I present you with this dirty unboxing video. Let's go. What's up, guys? I fix shit in your face. I used to be Drone Worship. I changed my name 2 years ago now. I don't regret that decision. I started riding motorcycles, fixing motorcycles, and flying FPV, which I started with the drone thing in 2012, making YouTube videos. And I just decided, you know, I'm gonna chase every adventure that I want to and hobby and put it all on my channel. And honestly, motorcycles became slightly more successful than the drone thing. However, I still represent a lot of my friends, and I still stick up for a lot of the community that's here, and a lot of my good friends do awesome things, and a couple of my buddies actually run the Flytribe magazine. And you know, I was like, hey man, I want to be super supportive of what you guys do. I think it's amazing that you guys have decided to create a magazine. First of all, it's really awesome. You don't even see too many magazines anymore. And the fact that these guys just came together, a group of awesome dudes just came together to make a magazine for all of you guys and give pilot, you know, light spotlighting to you guys and just random people is amazing in my opinion. So I told them, hey, they live local. I was like, I really want to help you guys push this thing. I want to see you become more. I would love to see your magazine expand. I've been, you know, trying to help push them along every bit of what I can and give them assistance. Ever since my channel kind of grew a little bit, I was like, this is what I want to do. I want to help you guys grow. All my friends that I have selectively put in my intro, I really would love to just help push them to new heights and boundaries. Well, anyways, I had a chat with them, and they said they were going to send me a magazine, and I honestly have no idea what's in this box outside of a magazine. Maybe there's more stuff. Ooh, maybe there's more stuff. Maybe there's not. I'm dropping things. Maybe this is really bad. But I'm gonna unbox this. Let's open this up, see what's inside. I'm cutting it for the first time, and see what's going on inside this box. I'm very curious. I'm a huge fan of FPV. I've been flying a long time. Like I said, since 2012. I started with GPS. About 6 years ago, 7 years ago, I started flying FPV, and well, you guys know what happens. You just get hooked, and then you're in. You're in. You know, you can't stop. You just want to be part of it. It's too much fun. Building the whole process is just fun. Let's see if I can get this open without breaking things. All right, let's see what we got in here. There we go. This box is a lot harder to open than I thought. All right, cool, man. We're going to kick this off with what appears to be a Flytribe shirt. Shout outs to the boys. Thank you. I will rock the living hell out of this. You can guarantee that. See if they got my size right. They get it right? Oh my gosh, I didn't even tell them my size. Let's see if they took a guess. Large. Oh. Hey, you know what? It might fit. I'm actually a 2X, but that works for me. Hey, it'll force me to lose more weight, right? I was 400 pounds. Now I'm 207 pounds. Hey, why not, right? We can go down a little bit more. Let's see what else we can drop. All right, let's see what else this guy's got in here. What is this? Oh, this is unique. What the heck is this thing? I love new things. I don't know what this is, but I'm liking it already. Oh, dude, sick. Actually, to be honest with you, I am a fanny pack guy, so this works out great. I'm one of those airport riders that you will see with their fanny pack literally lodged just like this when I ride on the plane. I don't know why. I'm a fanny pack fan. Even when I ride my motorcycle, I actually have a fanny pack that I turn around and it goes behind me. So I will totally rock the hell out of this when I'm on my bike. This is very helpful for us that don't like to carry backpacks. Just a small little thing. So that's cool. Flytribe, very cool. All right. Oh, this is sick. Yeah. And of course, we got some Flytribe stickers. You know, I just finished restoring my 30-year-old F3 CBR 600 Supersport F3 Miguel Duhamel. I think a couple of these Flytribe stickers would look pretty sick on there.
I'm on a new level. 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 shovel. Put these niggas in the dirt. Chain with the new bezel. All my niggas put them work. I'm on a new level. I'm on a new level.
I'm gonna have to figure out a good placement for these. So maybe next time you see my motorcycle, we'll have some Flytribe guys on there and a couple of these on the back of my truck. I don't know, man. It could be cool. These look official. I totally would rock these on my bike all day. And what appears to be a keychain tag? That's what I'm guessing. This is actually cool, guys. Glad you guys actually got some really sick merchandise, and these stickers are very good quality too. These are pretty pimp. I'm digging this. I love it. Love it. And of course, still in the plastic. I'm so debating whether I want to open it or not, or just shelf it and never touch this beautifulness. I don't know. I feel like I kind of have to, but don't want to. Look, guys, September edition. Should we open it? I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm just going to say I don't want to. This is going to be hard. You know, I may actually just buy another one and join the subscription completely 100% so I can have another copy of this, because I kind of want to just leave one in the wrap. I really don't want it. I don't want to open this. This is so cool. I feel like it's so official that I don't want to open it. It hurts. It hurts, but there's a bunch of my friends on here, man. We got Shelby Vol on here, Zoe, of course, from Humble Beginnings. You guys know Zoe FPV. There's some cool stuff on here. Shelby is a sick pilot. If you guys don't watch Shelby Vol, you should totally watch Shelby. Yeah, man, I want to open this, but I don't. That's killing me. All right, we'll open it. We'll open it. Damn it. I can always put it back in the plastic. Let's just be gentle. Commit surgery over here, folks. For you. This is for you. Oh no, this is so hard. Ah, got it. Yeah. All right. I don't want the tape to get on the magazine, so I'm just gonna peel the tape over. Okay. Gentle. Gentle. Oh, this is sick. Oh, this is God and, you know, all that stuff coming down on you guys right now. You need one of these. If you guys are not subscribed to Flytribe magazine, check out your boys. They are awesome. This is awesome. This feels so official. This is just incredible. This is incredible. I am so happy somebody came together in this hobby and was not just like worried about challenging everyone else and, you know, just, I don't know. This feels better. This feels like non-competition. I kind of like this. I like that these guys aren't competing with anyone. It's just one official magazine for the entire hobby of what we do. This is incredible. Shout outs to Flytribe. You guys are awesome. Thank you for the care package. This is amazing. I'm going to re-plastic this after I very carefully go through this and have a good look at all the pictures and beautifulness, because this is very quality. This feels amazing. It's probably one of the best feeling magazines I've ever really touched. These pages feel really official. Like they're legit. Oh, look, it's my boy Joe. Specimen! Who else we got in here? Oh, this is sick, dude. Good old bot. Yeah, this is cool. I'm gonna have to go through this. All right, well, that is my unboxing. If you guys have not thought about checking out Flytribe, do that. Do it. Subscribe. And I see that they have an Instagram now and everything else. You should just totally Twitter and Insta them, and, you know, all the tweets and all the Instas, all the internets. Get connected with them in all the internets. No, but seriously, check out Flytribe. If you guys haven't checked them out, they're an amazing group of dudes doing an amazing thing for this hobby, and you guys should totally check out Flytribe magazine. They are incredible. If you're into FPV at all, this is official. This is amazing. This is a piece of drone history now. This is the first time this has been done. This is history right here, folks. That's all I'm saying. History. Get you some history. At least one copy. If anything, get one copy so that you have it as history. All right, guys. I fix it. Daniel, and I'm out. Toodles!